Hey guys, welcome back to Cookie Channel. Today we're going to do some mini verses. I have been getting into mini verses with my daughter. I wanted to do some with y'all because I actually like them myself. I bought 4 of these from Walmart. You can get them from Target, online, and other places. But I just go to Walmart because it's closest to me. Okay, this first one I'm opening is the Make it calf. So I believe it's like a shrimp cocktail one. Yeah, so I got that one. It came with horseradish. It came with shrimp. It came with all the stuff you need to make it. I really like the fact that it comes with everything and it's not messy. It comes in little miniature sizes. That's like so amazing. I love that. Look, I even got little mini tongs, mini fork. Everything's just so mini. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish unpacking this one so we get to the next one. Next one up is Make It Mini Food. Okay, this one is a fruit smoothie. This is so cool. The little mini bag of ice it came with. I fell in love with the little mini bag of ice. It was so cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap this, show you what it came with. Sorry for the angles, guys, but yes, this is a little mason jar. It was so cool. I'm gonna work on my angles so I can show you the products better. Next one up is the Harry Potter potion. So it's a Harry Potter potion. I forgot what potion it was, but it was green, and it came with a little spider, which I really like because I love Harry Potter. This is a makeup one. I didn't even know they had makeup ones. When I seen it, I was like, oh, I gotta get it. And to my surprise, it was lip gloss, and lip stain. And I don't really wear either or, but I made it anyway with my daughter, and I gave her one. And I made one. We made a pink one. Mommy didn't follow the instructions because it was supposed to be like a lip stain and lip gloss, but mommy made lip gloss. If you would like to see the items I made, I will be posting a YouTube short, so you can go to my channel and look at that short, and you will see exactly what I'm talking about, as far as like what items I put together. My bad, what products I put together.